Hi, how are you? I hope that you are well. Today I am here to new tips for you good health and fitness body, which has great effect from liver. So, in this video I am going to show you what's important liver for our body, and what foods help with liver health. So don't wait, let's get started. What's important liver for our body? The liver is one of the most important organs in the human body and performs several vital functions, including detoxification. The liver helps detoxify the blood by breaking down and removing harmful substances like alcohol, drugs, and toxins. Metabolism. The liver plays a key role in metabolism by converting food into energy, storing vitamins and minerals, and regulating blood sugar levels. Digestion. The liver produces bile, which helps in the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins. Blood clotting. The liver produces several clotting factors that help in blood clotting, which is important for preventing excessive bleeding. Immune function. The liver plays a role in the immune system by producing immune factors that help fight infections. Storage. The liver stores important nutrients like glycogen, vitamins, and minerals, and releases them into the bloodstream as needed. Overall, the liver is essential for maintaining good health and well-being, and it's important to take care of it by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding harmful substances like alcohol and drugs. What foods help with liver health? Here are some foods that you can incorporate into your diet to help keep your liver healthy. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in antioxidants and plant-based compounds that can help protect the liver from damage. Berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that can help reduce inflammation and promote healthy liver function. Nuts. Nuts such as almonds and walnuts contain high amounts of antioxidants and healthy fats that can help protect the liver from damage. Olive oil. Olive oil contains healthy fats and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve liver function. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that can help activate enzymes in the liver that can flush out toxins. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin that has anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect the liver from damage. It's important to note that while incorporating these foods into your diet can help support liver health, it's also important to limit or avoid foods that can be harmful to the liver, such as alcohol, processed foods, and foods high in added sugars. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight and exercising regularly can also help keep your liver healthy. We hope you enjoyed, and please leave like and comment on this video, and if you new here, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new awesome videos. Thank you so much.